Hi everyone, welcome back to The Tech Vibe. Are you frustrated because Netflix isn't working on your TCL Roku TV? Don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through simple fixes to get Netflix running smoothly again. Step 1. Restart your TCL Roku TV sometimes. A quick restart solves streaming issues. Grab your remote, go to Settings System Power System Restart, and restart your TV. Once it powers back on, open Netflix again to check if it's working. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Netflix needs a strong internet connection. Go to Settings, Network, check connection. If the test fails, restart your Wi-Fi router or move your TV closer to the router. You can also connect your TV using an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Step 3. Update the Netflix app and Roku software. An outdated app or software can cause streaming errors. On the home screen, highlight the Netflix app, press the ** button, and select Check for updates. Then, also update your Roku system under Settings System Update. Step 4. Reinstall Netflix. If updates don't fix the problem, remove and reinstall Netflix. Highlight Netflix, press *, select Remove Channel, then restart your Roku. Afterward, go to the Roku channel store, reinstall Netflix, and sign back in. Step 5. Reset network settings. If you still face issues, reset your network settings. Go to Settings System Advanced System Settings Network Connection Reset. Your TV will restart, and you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi. After reconnecting, launch Netflix again. Step 6. Factory Reset. If nothing works, perform a factory reset. Go to Settings System Advanced System Settings Factory Reset. This will erase all settings, so only use this as a last step. Reinstall Netflix after setup. These steps usually fix Netflix problems on TCL Roku TVs. If the issue continues, it might be a Netflix server outage or a hardware problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others.